Could you please help me resend that, please? We are gonna have a warm-up
Here
about
I
tongue
don't have
twister.
another, I don't have emails.
No one? Let me check.
No teacher.
Let me see.
Picture. Teacher.
Yes, sir?
The email have a picture.
Yes, you have to take two pictures, the tongue twister.
Uh,
I already sent you 2 emails with a picture, and it's gonna be the tongue twister.
okay, I send with
Please
my
check it.
partners.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, what about the rest one, guys?
Good morning, teacher. I don't have any email.
Actually,
No,
I don't have a
Samuel.
teacher.
See the group of
Check
WhatsApp?
Juan. Yes. Someone, will you please help me to resend it by WhatsApp? Thank you so much. Let me see, Gerardo. Let me see, Vallejo. Pedro. Pedro, do you have it?
Yes, teacher.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Let me see. Okay, I guess that all of you. 12, I have it. Who's missing? Let me see. Okay, please let me know when all of you have the picture, please. I need to assign you a tongue twister. So we are gonna start to read it one by one, and then you have to memorize. So this is gonna help us for the pronunciation, for your modulation, and of course, in order that you practice your tone of voice. Because as you remember, I mentioned, let me get it in. I mentioned that when you are gonna have the person test, you are gonna have with a machine. So that's very important, your tone of voice, because just sometimes you put the microphone like here, and I can understand, okay? Nothing. So that's very
Miss, así,
important.
así, así.
Exactly
Sí,
that,
sí, sí.
like that. Exactly, it's the perfect example. So that's very important that your tone of voice, you try to modulate your tone of voice, okay? So let me know when all of you have the picture, please. Let me see. All of you have it, guys? Are you ready?
Yes.
Amazing. Wait for me. Okay. Okay. So I am going to assign you. Okay, Dennis, are you here? Do you have the picture?
Yes, teacher. Thank you.
Amazing. Okay, you are gonna be the first one. What we are gonna do? First of all, we are gonna read. Just read it, okay? Read step by step, word by word. I need that you understand the meaning of the tongue twister. That is not only to read like a crazy, okay? So I need that you understand about the sentence And then I am going to give you a few minutes in order that you memorize the tongue twister. So, Dennis, you are going to be the first one. The Peter Piper pick a pick of Peter Peter. Okay? Dennis
Okay, teacher.
and Leo, you are going to be the second one. She sells seashells by the seashore. Number 3, David. How much wood are a woodchuck chuck? Easy, like a piece of cake. Diego Conqua, how many cookies could a good cook cook? Conqua, Cosillo, how many birds would the Mongols hurt? Then we started again. Hercules, Peter Piper, Emilio Vallejo, she sells by the seashore. Gerardo, how much? Jose Oliva, how many cookies? Juan Rodriguez, Peter Piper. Pedro 2, Peter Piper. Silvestre, she sells seashells by the seashore. And Samuel, you are going to have the last one with how many birds would the Mongols hurt? Okay? So let's go with the first one. Dennis, go ahead, please.
Okay, teacher. Um, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter's Piper picked?
Okay. First of all, I need your camera on. I need to see your expression, guys. Keep your
Okay, sorry,
camera.
teacher. I am in my cell phone, so
Okay.
I'm using. Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you so much. Remember, just try to take care about the last sentence, the last, because it's with a question mark. It's a question. So, where's the pick of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Okay, the question mark. Okay, so the intonation, you have to use the intonation, for example, with the comma, with the question mark, so that I listen, that I need to listen to you. Okay, go ahead, number 2 and Leo.
She sells seashells by the seashore. The shield she sells are surely seashells. So if she sells shields on the seashore, the shields she sells are surely seashore shells.
Okay, very good. Okay, go ahead with the other one, David. Okay.
Okay. How much wood will a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He will chuck at the wood that a woodchuck could. Ahí salió, no salió completo, miss, en esa imagen.
Okay, is he would chuck all the wood that a woodchuck could chuck.
Okay.
The last part is could chuck.
Could chuck. Okay.
Uh-huh.
If a woodchuck could chuck a wood.
Okay, very good. The pronunciation word by word. That I need, guys. That now just read it word by word to understand, and then you have to memorize and say it so fast. Okay. Who is the next one? Conqua?
Yes. How many cookies could a good cook cook? If a good cook could cook cookies, he will cook as many cookies as a good cook could cook. If that good cook could cook cookies.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Conqua. Go ahead, Cosillo.
Okay, teacher. How many birds will the Mongols hoard? If the Mongol hordes got bored, they would hoard all the birds that a bird horde could hoard. If the Mongol hordes got bored.
Very good. You see, pronunciation, easy. Okay, so let's continue. Hercules, go ahead.
Peter picked Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Okay, very good. Pick it. Okay, pick it. We are talking about,
Teacher,
remember. Yes, sir?
sorry, you say the part. Por ejemplo, nosotros tenemos que decir lo que usted, o sea, por ejemplo, a mí me mandó exactamente lo mismo que le puso Hércules. Literal, lo mismo. Yo también tengo que decirlo.
Exactly.
Ok.
Okay. So listen, guys. That's very important that you understand. Remember, Peter Piper is a name. Okay, Peter Piper. Pick. Okay, a peck of pickled peppers. Okay, so makes sense. What are you saying? Okay, a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper pick it. Okay, intonation. What are you talking about? Okay, so very good. Continue, Emilio, right? Emilio, are you here, Emilio?
Yes, it was me.
Go ahead.
She sells seashells by the shore. The seashells are surely seashells. So if she sells shells on the seashore, the shells she sells are surely seashore
So,
shells.
okay, try to take care about that, okay? She sells seashells. I know that it's confusion words, okay? But remember, make sense about what are you reading. Okay, the other one, Gerardo, right? Gerardo or Jose? Gerardo, I guess. Gerardo.
How much would a woodchuck chuck? If a woodchuck could chuck wood, he would chuck all the wood. What a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Okay, take care. This is not a chook, it's a chuck. Okay, how much wood at a woodchuck chuck? Okay, it's chook, it's chuck, it's a
Hey,
chop
teacher.
chop. Okay, very good. So go ahead, Jose.
How many cookies could a cook cook? If a good cook could cook cookies, he would cook as many cookies as a good could cook. If that good cook could cook cookies.
Okay, remember the question mark, the intonation. If a good cook cookies, okay, question mark, okay, very good. Okay, who's next one? Okay, Juan, that's your turn.
All right, teacher. It's my turn. Peter, Peter, Peter Piper pick a pick of pickled peppers. A pick of pickled peppers. Peter picked pip. If Peter picked a pick of pickled peppers, where are the pick of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Pick it, okay? So the last one is a question. Where's, don't stop. Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Picker peck? Where is, okay? Where is? Very good. Okay, who's next one? Ah, your turn, Pedro. Go ahead.
Peter Pip. No, pardon. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of people of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Okay, listen very carefully because when you pronounce if let me see, a peak of pickle, very good. I like the sound. Okay, the pronunciation when you are using the L, the pronunciation of L. That's the reason because you make the difference between the words pickle. Very good. Okay, and Samuel, go ahead.
How many boars will the Mongols hoard if the Mongol hordes got bored? They will hoard all the boars that a boar horde could hoard if the Mongol hordes got bored.
Okay, very good. So fast. Amazing. So now I'm gonna give you almost 3 or 5 minutes in order that you memorize the tongue twister. Okay? But I am gonna give you, let me see. We are gonna have more funny. So I am going to assign you in pairs and you have to memorize on pairs. Okay? Let me see. Okay. Let me see this one. Okay, number 3. This one. David. Okay, and the last one, Diego and Samuel. So I am going to start the private sessions. So I don't know, I can remember if you are gonna have the same tongue twister. If you have different, see, if you have one and the other one, you can choose what the tongue twister are you not gonna memorize. If you have the same one, but you have to say the same way, okay? So let's do it. Okay, go ahead, accept the invitation. You are gonna have tongue twister in pairs, okay? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Very good. Hi, Michael. Dennis,
Hi, teacher.
are you practicing?
Yes,
No, you said
teacher.
that you were going to give us a different tongue twister, or is the same one?
You have different?
I
I
have
have
the
the
Peter speaker. Peter. I don't
I
know.
had the one from the seashells.
Ah, so okay, you have the chance. You can choose what you are gonna memorize, but I need that you have an unisono. You are gonna say it in pairs, okay?
Okay, teacher.
You can choose one, whatever you want. Only one, but you are gonna like a son in the same tone, okay? Parejitos, tienen que decirlo parejitos, in the same tone, okay? So that's
Okay,
important
teacher.
that you practice. Practice together. No one Michael and another Dennis. So you have to practice in order that your tone of voice are gonna be one tone of voice. Not Dennis voice and Michael voice. Only one tone of voice. Okay? So I need to hear you. I need to listen that you are practicing. Go, go, go.
Would the Mongols horde if the Mongols horde got, es que if the Mongols horse got bored o algo así con el tonito. They
with
will hurl the
the
boards.
tonito.
Con el tonito.
Okay, practice together because you have to read it. No, read it now. You have to say
Man,
it together
sí.
with
¿Cuál?
only
How
one
many
voice.
boards will the Mongols hoard? If the Mongol hordes got bored, they would hoard all the boards that the board horde could hoard if the Mongol horde got bored.
Teacher, pero hay que decirlo así juntos al mismo tiempo.
Exactly, in pairs
Mm.
at the same
Ah,
time. So
bueno.
I need to listen only one voice. No Diego voice and Leo voice. Only one voice. Al unísono. Together. Okay, go ahead,
Sí.
practice. You have to speak aloud in order that you have the same tone of voice. Go ahead, guys.
So hi teacher.
Mm.
Practice, practice. You need to
Yes,
speak
yes. Le
aloud.
estaba diciendo a Vallejo que no sabía cómo se decía cook. Es que hay una palabra que es cook, no sé.
Ajá, que es gallina, pero entonces como que nos
Ajá.
confundimos.
Okay, so good, 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 cook. Very
Ah,
good.
yes.
Okay,
Answer.
the
Thank you, teacher.
pronunciation. Go ahead because you have to read it at the same tone. I need to listen only one voice. Okay, together in the same tone, in the same speed. Okay, so
Ah,
let's.
But teacher, what about the lag? What if it sounds
I
a little
come
bit off?
on. Remember that you already received music class, so you have to like. Do you remember this one? I don't know how the name of this one.
Compás.
Like that. Thank you. Very good. So practice. You have only 3 minutes. Go ahead. Are you practicing, Pedro and Jose?
We were practicing in silence so we don't confuse.
I need that you practice together because you are gonna, as mentioned, saying this one together.
But
No
we don't
Pedro
have
boys
the.
and no Jose.
Pero si no tenemos el mismo trabalenguas.
You see, you are not paying attention. I said if you have different, you need to choose one and practice with the only one.
I didn't
Okay?
hear that.
You see, because you have to say in the same tone of voice. I need to listen only one voice, no Pedro's voice and Jose's voice. I need only one.
All right, all
Okay.
right.
Okay, so you have to choose one and you are gonna practice together. I need that you speak aloud. Speak aloud to practice. Go, go. Are you practicing, guys?
In silence, teacher.
I
Why in silence? You have to
because
practice
I'm
to
bad.
speak
Because
aloud.
I like practicing silence, teacher. I so confused. I so confused when I listen my other patterns. But I
Do you know what is this?
just music.
Uh-huh.
Compass.
Yeah,
Compass.
compass, okay? So what I need, do you have the same tongue twister or do you
No,
have different?
teacher. I
Okay.
have different.
You see, do you remember what I'm saying?
No, teacher.
You are not paying attention. I said, if you have different tongue twister, you have to choose one, only one,
Ah.
and you have to practice together because you are gonna sing
Ah.
the same tongue
Oh.
twister together, like hermanitos, like a chorus.
I
Okay,
got
like
it.
a chorus. So I need that you practice speaking aloud. Okay, choose one,
Entonces,
just choose one and practice together. Okay, like a chorus.
Juan, what is your trabalenguas?
Tongue twister.
Thumb twister.
Go ahead. Are you practicing, guys?
Hello, teacher.
Are you practicing? Hello. I need that you practice. Do you have the same tongue twister? Or you have different? Are you here, guys, or are you watching TV? Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Are you practicing?
Yes, I'm right.
I'm practicing. What about Hercules?
Estaba hace un rato, pero se salió.
Yes, I was speaking. I was speaking with him. Do you have the same tongue twister? Do you have different tongue twister?
I tried all the tongue twister, but I like my own tongue twister.
Diego is back. Okay, what I need, if you have different tongue twister, I need that you choose one, only one, and you are gonna practicing together because you are gonna say the tongue twister like a chorus, only with one
Oh,
voice, okay,
at same time.
together at the same time, okay?
Okay.
So that's the
Okay,
reason that
okay.
I need that you speak aloud together, okay?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay, you only have 2 minutes. Okay, go ahead. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? What about the rest one?
I mean, Garin have problems with his internet.
Thank you so much.
Le pedí yo,
The internet is so bad today.
¿verdad?
This is
Absolutely.
claro, teacher.
Yes, I'm sorry, I have Clara too. So that is not a good idea to Clara internet, but it is what it is. Okay, guys, are you ready? Remember, unison. Unison, only one voice at the same time. Just we are gonna wait for David because David is talking maybe with the girlfriend. No?